ढोल आणि ताशाच्या गजरात नो मोजो 2.0 ची सुरुवात झाली. 13 जानेवारी पर्वरी हांगा रोहन खंवटे आणि पर्वरी रायझिंगच्या फुडारपणाखाला झाली. या कार्यक्रमात बऱ्याच लोकांनी उपस्थिती लायली. पळोवया हांगा जाल्ली काय मजा आणि धमाल.
Three, two, one, and here we go. Let's hear it. Come on, you can do better than that. Let's all give them a big hand of applause.
As we have come with No Mozo 2 for the people of Goa. As Parwari Vasiyan सगळे एक जाऊन like No Mozo 1, it has been No Mozo 2. The main concept being community togetherness. आज सगळ्यांक स्वताक टाइम ना जाला. Commercially things are moving faster. IT खातीर स्वताचे इंटरेक्शन कमी जाला. So ताजे खातीर when we say No Mozo, it is no motor zone and no mobile zone. तातून लोकांक can come spend some quality time with themselves, their family, their friends, do all the things what they would have loved to do, which otherwise even if they want to do, they can't do. So that allows them this space where they can come, do cycling, play music, dance, skate, perform, show their talent. A place where everybody has something to do for themselves, a place where everybody has something to come and see for. A great evening for all the people of Goa to come and enjoy, and that is something which we call as No Mozo 2, where we say no motor zone म्हणटा असताना we try to pass a message of saying pedestrian first. A time has come when we गाडयो इतल्यो फास्ट जाल्या ताजे खातीर स्वता ट्रॅफिक समज सांबाळटले, it has to start from the citizen itself. We try to give this awareness, we try to pass a message of community togetherness, and the success story of No Mozo 1, we have carried it ahead today, and we have got No Mozo 2. Kids who are of today, who may not know the traditional old games, tanka ek chance to come and enjoy the old traditional games. Somewhere where every age group has something for themselves, from a small kid, from a small child to a senior citizen, from a IT zone to a kid zone to a art zone to music to food, everything which a person would want to make his evening live, and something which the families would like to create some good memories and take it back home.
We are Persistent Systems. We are an IT company, one of the largest IT companies in Goa. Yeah, so this is a very innovative event for the community, spearheaded by Porvorim Rising and backed by Mr. Rohan Khunte, who is the Minister of IT. And he's been very keen that not only the people enjoy the event, communities come together and have a good time, but also learn something. So we are very happy to be part of No Mozo. This is the second year, and we wish the event all the best, and we thank the Minister for IT for bringing such event in Porvorim. Thank you very much.
लोकांचे इन्वॉल्वमेंट पळोवन खूब बरें दिसता. आनी हांगासले MLA तांच्यांनी हो प्रमोट केल्लो आसा, तेन्ना आय एम व्हेरी हॅपी टू बी हियर. थँक यू.
हॅलो, हांव नंदिता एकावडे परवडच्यान, आनी म्हजो चलो सांग ध्रुव. आमी दोगूय No Mozo लास्ट इयरूय आयले आनी ह्या फाटी आयलेला, आनी कितले बेस्ट केला ह्या फाट. मोर इव्हेंट्स, आनी कितले इव्हेंट्स आसा भुरग्यांक. सो इट इज एनकरेजींग देम मोर एंड मोर. Also, Dhruv, first time he has got a cycle. Last year we were not prepared, but this time we have come fully prepared. And I thank Mr. Rohan Khunte, our MLA, to have such events very often.
आमची भुरगीं सारकी एक्सायटेड आसलेली ह्या प्रोग्रामाक. तेंच्या स्कुलान सुद्दां पॅम्पलेट दिल्लेले, सो आमी खूब एक्सायटींग आहा हे पळोवपाक. आनी आमचो मिनिस्टर MLA इज डुईंग व्हेरी फंटास्टीक जॉब इन पोरवोरीम.
Rohan Khaunte has done something very good, wherein you all can see there are most of the kids who are there. They are having fun over here. They are riding cycles and all. I feel it should take place in each and every constituency, and I congratulate Rohan Khaunte for taking this opportunity over here. And this is his second time over here.
आमचे रोहन कोटे सरान बरें ऑर्गनायज केल्ले आसा आमकां हे झोन नो मोजो आनी इट्स अ व्हेरी गुड हे की आमकां असले पळोवपाक मेळटा सेकंड इयर आमचे आनी वी आर हॅप्पी सो दॅट वी आर एन्जॉयींग इट.
I lot of dance performances. People should come here and watch. I feel this is the best thing which is ever happening in Pororim.
हे फाटी बरो प्रोग्राम आसा आनी बरो ऑर्गनायज केला साहेबान आमच्या रोहन खंवटेन बाब. असोच तेणें फुडें फुडें चालू दवरची आपली परंपरा.
No motorized zone is a wonderful concept. It started in Gurgaon, then it was done in Delhi also during my days as special CP traffic, and I'm very glad to see that it is happening here. From traffic point of view, I would like to highlight that pedestrians are very important, walking is very important, having fun is important, but at the same time road safety is important. Congratulate our Honorable Minister, Mr. Rohan Khaunte for envisaging this, conceptualizing this idea and implementing it.
The whole street is full of fun, no motor zone आणि सगळ्यांक मजा करपाची एक चान्स. ताज्या खातीर आयचो दीस तुमकां सगळ्यांक आयच्या दिसाची परबी दिता. Let us as a community stay together. Let us work together towards a better society, towards a better Porvorim, towards a better Goa. आणि आयच्या दिसाक नव्या वर्साची परबी दिता आसतना No Mozo 2चे success story begins and takes it ahead. And today we declare No Mozo 2 open. Thank you.
First of all, what's up, Goa? It's great to be here. Unbelievable. A huge thanks to Rohan sir. Brilliant. Big applause for him first to get you all along. It's amazing effort. So no more zones. It's, I think, a big thanks to my friend Buddha who used to play cricket here for Goa. And yes, Shailesh Bhai too. So thank you very much for making me come to Goa and meet such lovely and beautiful people. I must say a few words about him for sure because I heard a lot about you, sir, and especially from Buddha. To be here on the same platform as you, and God willing, I am not. I think I've got brilliant intuition. So maybe in future, maybe you must be the CM of Goa. So I honestly, I'm not saying it because I'm on the stage, not because you invited me, because of the things which I've been doing for amazing people. I'm sure you guys agree with it. That's the answer. So thank you very much. And one more thing I want to say is, he said runner-up. मैं कोई runner-up नहीं हूँ, top 2. Okay, top 2. And I think real winner of hearts. High five for me. High five. Nupur, say hi to Nupur, everyone, please. Hi. Hi. She was like my lovely daughter Sandrika also says the same. Hi. So my bestie, when I used to play cricket, is also on the way. You all must be waiting for the Man of Cities 2011 World Cup, Yuvraj Singh. So he is also on his way. So I am just, लोग बोलते हैं ना पहले वो उनको बेचते हैं कि देखने की कैसा है, सब ठीक है, उसके बाद सुपर हीरो आएंगे. अभी मैं आया हूँ थोड़ा देखने के लिए आप सब कैसे हैं. तो after me the superstar is going to be here. So I want the same energy, maybe better, for Yuvraj Singh. So when Yuvipa is going to be on the stage, what's the energy going to be? Now.
From cricket sensation to television star, I think I have the quintessential person with me, Srishant. He's very busy clicking all the photographs and making every fan of his very, very happy. Now make some noise for Srishant. Can I hear a little noise? Well, that's the sensation I was talking about. Srishant जी बोलिए कैसे लग रहा है आपको यहाँ पे इस इवेंट में आके?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. थैंक्स टू रोहन सर एंड शैलेश भाई फॉर श्योर, बिकॉज ऐसे इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज करना इज़ नॉट ईजी. और वो भी मेरे हिसाब से मैं अभी उधर बोल रहा था कि आई एम ऑनर्ड टू बी ऑनेस्टली टू शेयर अ स्टेज एंड व्हेन इट कम्स टू पीपल लविंग दिस, हैट्स ऑफ टू हिम बिकॉज एंड थैंक्स फॉर ऑल द लव व्हिच दे आर शोइंग. आई लव गोवा. इवन माय रणजी ट्रॉफी डेब्यू वाज अगेंस्ट गोवा, तो 2002 में. तो गोवा इज़ ऑलवेज बीन वेरी स्पेशल फॉर मी. सो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है गोवा में आके.
Okay, from cricket to television star, I think, is there anything that is left? You are indeed an all-rounder.
एंड ऐसा कुछ नहीं. जय माता दी राजनीति में भी आया था 2016, अभी भी कार्य करता हूँ बीजेपी का. तो यस, बड़े पर्दे पे अभी आया हूँ. मतलब क्रिकेट तो हमेशा छोटे पर्दे भी आते हैं ना, टीवी में ही आते हैं. तो टीवी के सितारे तब से है. तो भगवान का शुक्र है, सब अच्छा जा रहा है जय माता दी. और वापस बहुत कुछ अच्छा होगा. और इट्स जस्ट अ स्टार्ट. तो last 5 years of struggle, it's slowly paying off, and भगवान की कृपा है कि struggle is a person who struggle is better than a person who never attempts. So I'm very happy the way life is shaping up, and people like him and people around, and I can see the love. So thank you very much.
I think तुम्ही बारीक बरे गॅलेक्सी ऑफ स्टार्स चूज केला आयच्या इव्हेंटा खातीर. Was Srishant the first choice that he has to come here?
Absolutely. When the whole thing came, when we have our No Mozo, the whole people, it is not me who decides. It is we have a committee who decides. So when we talked about the committee, the first name came was Srishant. So then it was whether Srishant would be able to make it for this event. I think with Shailu, Buddha, these guys have managed to ensure that we have the privilege today of Srishant being here amongst all of us. And Porwarkarang, Goikarang, शेवटी कितें जाय? एक idol whom they look at it like. Being around, being seen with them, and maybe आयच्या तारखेन मोबायला वयल्यान फोटो काडप, सेल्फीज काडप आनी एक मेमरी तयार करप, which is good for them to again create some nostalgic moments. I think it's a long way to go, but I think Srishant has made the evening for all of us, made an evening for everybody, from a child to a old person, a senior citizen, to come, enjoy, see him, maybe have some selfies, photographs, and maybe have 1 or 2 bites with him also. So I think I should thank Srishant for having come today, given the time for us, and ensured that this becomes more memorable and more successful.
Well, Srishant, thank you very much. It was a pleasure. I understand all your fans are still waiting to click the selfie. So thank you very much. Thanks a lot. नो मो जोग जेन्ना खंय हांगासर फ्युजन बँड्स आसा, वेस्टर्न म्युजीक आसा, थंयच आमचें पारंपारीक संगीत सुद्दां आसा. ढोल ताशाचे आवाजार आत्तां आमी एक बारीकसो परफॉर्मन्स आयकलो आनी हेच्या फाटल्यान जो ग्रूप आसलो तेजे मागीर थोडे मुखेली हांगासर किंवा ग्रूप मेंबर्स आसा. म्हाका तुजें नांव सांगा.
म्हजें नांव सागर नायक, हांव ग्रुपाचो प्रेसिडेंट.
ओके. आनी ग्रुपाचें नांव कितें?
श्री गणपती कला आनी सांस्कृतीक संघ तोड्डा पैठणा.
ओके. म्हाका एक सांग, अशा प्रकारचो एक इव्हेंट आनी तातूंत हो गोंयचो आमचो हो बारीकसो परफॉर्मन्स तूं कशें दिसता? एक म्हटल्यार म्हाका हो इव्हेंटा बद्दल तूं सांग, म्हाका तूं पार्टिसिपेट जावपाक कशें दिसता?
नोमोजो हो आमचो एक पयल्या फावट आमी आमचो ग्रूप जालो 10 वर्सां जालीं, पूण नोमोजो आमी पोरू पार्टिसिपेट जावंक नाशिल्ले, कारण आमी खुबशे दुसऱ्या इव्हेंटांनी पार्टिसिपेट जाले. शिगम्याक वताले आमी घुमटार, त्याचो आमी त्या वर्सान बिजी आसले. पूण ही आमकां नवी संदी आनी आमी नवे संदेक आमी सदांच म्हणजे घेवन घेता. रवनबाईन बरो एक प्रकार हाडलेलो आसा तो आमकां ही आमकां एक प्रत्येक जे स्टॉल आसा तो आमकां एक स्टेज कशी दिसता आनी ते स्टेजीर आमी रंगमाची अशी समजून आमी बऱ्यांतलो बरो परफॉर्मन्स हांगा दिवपाचें आमी एक हें करता. कित्याक आमचो ग्रूप फक्त घुमट आरती सगळे आमी सगळे फ्युजन धरता, आमी गोफ करता, आमी वेगळे वेगळे तराचे सगळे कल्चरल प्रोग्राम्स करता आनी आमी हो आमचो जो कल्चर आसा तो लोकां मेरेन पावोवपाची खूब आमची मनोकामना आसा.
लोकांचो रिस्पॉन्स कसो?
हांगा अजून मेरेन तरी आमकां बऱ्यांतलो बरो रिस्पॉन्स गावलो. हांगा कोणूच नासले, आमी आतां चिंत्ताले खंय परफॉर्म करूं. फायनली आमी एक पयलो परफॉर्मन्स केला. तुमी आमकां पयलीं घेतले आनी लोकांचो क्रावड तुमीच पयला आसतलो व्हिडिओ थंयसून. सो आमकां हे एक बरी ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी कशी दिसता.
ओके. एक इंट्रस्टींग गजाल, जेन्ना प्रत्येक परफॉर्मन्साक खंय स्टेज लागता, बट हांगासर खंयच स्टेज ना, थोड्योच स्टेजीस आसा. बट हांगा गोंयचे आमचे जेन्ना पारंपारीक हांगासर डान्स आसा किंवा म्युजीक आसा ताका स्टेज लागना. लास्ट ह्या इव्हेंटा बद्दल कितें म्हणपाक सोदतलो व्हडल्यान? हिपी फुर्रे, वॉट एवर यूड लायक टू से?
कलेचो खेळ खेळून नाव गाजयता, गणपती कला संघ तुमची उर्बा वाढयता. गणपती बाप्पा श्री देव बोडगेश्वर महाराज के जय.
ही फक्त बारीकसो पीस एनर्जीचो आनी खूब आमी स्टॉल्स पळोवपाचे, खूब परफॉर्मन्सीस पळोवपाचे आसा. स्टे ट्यून, कित्याक नोमोजो 2.0 पर्वरी हांगासर घडटा अंडर द लिडरशीप ऑफ रोहन बापखवटे.
Clap according to the beat. Come on. Put your hands up in the air and clap to the beat.
Good evening, guys. How's it going? How's it going? सगळ्यांची कोण वाट पळयतालो पळय. We were all waiting for, we can say, a forthcoming legend for the country, a person who has performed, given his heart, given his soul, and he has given victories to the country when we needed it most. Proud Indians, proud Goans. I think all of us first need to give a round of applause. Yuvraj, we are very honored to have you here today. Nomozo 2 has come from Nomozo 1. And this is something which we have a lot of theme for community togetherness, getting everybody together. We expect that such things allow the society to move ahead, allow a lot of people to move things ahead, and the communal harmony that we talk about as Goinkars, as Goans, this is something which we have, people of all religion, caste, communities coming together, having a social event and enjoying the evening. This is how we Goans enjoy again. It's a privilege and honor to have you amongst us, and we really thank you for your time, for having come and spent some few minutes with all of us. It definitely makes a difference. Thank you.
Thank you for the welcome and the response, and thank you for letting me up. safely. Thank you, Rohan, for organizing the event and having me here. I think it's great to see all you guys coming and contributing to the event. I think society is one place where we tend to sometimes hang back, and when we are not happy, we don't really come out. So I think it's great to see that all you people who have come out and mingled and promoted this event. And I'm sure when you come out and you meet new people, you make new friends, and it's kind of getting out of the house, walking, exercise, music, events. It's great socializing. It's great for the mind to get out. You stop worrying about your work, you stop worrying about what's happening at home, you stop worrying about your health. Mind's in a good place. So I think it's great to see that, and it's great to see all of you smiling, and it'll be great if when I go you can let me go back safely. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much. One more thing.
Okay, I have with me the heartthrob of Indian cricket, a success story that everyone would like to cherish. He is Yuvraj Singh. Sir, कैसे लग रहा है इस इवेंट में पार्टिसिपेट होके to No More Zone 2.0?
बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है. रोहन जी ने मुझे यहाँ पे बुलाया. It's a very nice thing that he's doing, promoting No Motor Zone. I think we all are so used to going in cars and getting stuck in our lives, and I think it's very important to come out, socialize, ride bicycles, get their fresh energy out, work out, mingle with people, eat, celebrate life.
You, on a personal note, you have revived yourself in terms of... Okay.
No personal question.
I'm just asking about the foundation that you run.
Talk to you. Foundation. My foundation name is UV Can. It's a charity. It's a cancer charity, and it's been my journey, and I've realized that a lot of people except me have gone through it, and try and help a lot of people. We've done more than 1 lakh detections all around India, and now we're treating very young children who are going through cancer. We also giving scholarships to children who bounce back from cancer and their parents have lost money in all their treatment. So we have a lot of programs running, and I'm very happy the way a foundation is taking place. And I would request all the corporates to come and help me in making the society a better place.
Just like Rohan Khavte is a youth icon here in Goa, you also you also are a youth icon. You have your brand now. Would you like to speak about that as well?
See, I've already spoken about you. I think we're here for Rohan, and would like to really congratulate him in getting people out from their houses on a Sunday. Obviously, people roam around, but No Motor Zone, cycling. It's something about health, something about fitness, something about coming outside, meeting new people, celebrating life. I think that is what we forget when we get caught up in our lives. So it's very important to do this on a daily basis. So again, I would like to thank Rohan for doing this, and I would advise all the people of Goa, all India, to participate and to celebrate life. Come out of their house.
Okay, this is a 2.0 edition. If you'd like to speak, how do you see this event growing up? Since Rohan Bab is here with you, how do you see this growing up?
Well, I think there should be more events, there should be more participation, there should be more bikes, there should be more people you should see more people cycling. And Goa is a place where people can actually cycle a lot and come out a lot. Because I don't see people in Goa living in their houses. They're always out and about there, and whether it's work or it's life or it's anything. It's good to come out, and as you can see, there's a lot of excitement around.
I don't know how you feel while playing cricket in the cricketing arena in a stadium, but there are n number of fans waiting here. If you can make some noise for UV. Okay, thank you very much, Yui. It was a pleasure talking to you. Thanks a lot. Cheers. How do you find this event Nomozo 2.0 at Porvorim?
It's a great experience. Like many people come. Since it's a no motor zone, we get to see like many people with their cycles, their roller skates, which they don't really get to do on the roads because of the traffic and all. And after giving us the chance to put stalls, many people come over here to do their activity as well as they get to see what's happening, what other people are being displayed, and then what if they want something to buy, they can get that. And
this event had no age limit. From kids to old people enjoyed this event. It was not just about cycling and skating. There was dance performances, there was music going on, and it was a really good experience.
Compared to last year, this year we got a good response for Nomozo because of the timing and because of the growing interest in people. And yeah.
Okay, how has been the response by the people, especially for your stall by Goa College of Art?
There are still people who wants to do like live sketches and caricature thing. That's why we got a good response here, and we got a chance also this year to put our stalls through Goa College of Arts.
How do you see this Nomozo in 2020, that is 3.0? What are your expectations?
Since Nomozo is taking place, like it happened last year, it happened this year, and it's improving day by day. So when it happens later on, we'll get to see more different things that are happening, more different programs, many other interactive sessions will be there. So it'll be like more for the people type. Yeah.
Nomozo 2.0.
Nomozo 2.0.
Nomozo 2.0.
Nomozo 2.0.
Nomozo 2.0. Nomozo 2.0.